Hello, tech lovers! Did you know that technology can turn food into water? Or that China has discovered energy that could last them 60,000 years? Welcome to Galore Techs. Today, we are going to be talking about these and many more recent scientific and technological breakthroughs. Prepare to be amazed by the possibilities. Researchers at the University of Texas at Austin have developed a groundbreaking system using biodegradable hydrogels made from food scraps, branches, seashells, and other natural materials to produce drinkable water. The hydrogels absorb moisture from the air and release it when heated, effectively extracting clean water. This innovation is eco-friendly, cost-effective, and addresses water scarcity in arid regions. Utilizing waste materials also reduces environmental pollution. The system's simplicity and scalability make it a game changer for sustainable water production, especially in areas that don't have a lot of resources. Have a look at this lamp. Doesn't it resemble the iconic moving lamp from Pixar? It's actually a lamp robot with lifelike movements created by a team of robotics at Apple, showcasing advancements in robotics and AI. The robot mimics human-like gestures and interactions, using sophisticated algorithms and sensors to respond to its environment. This breakthrough highlights the potential for more intuitive human-robot interactions, paving the way for applications in assistive technology, entertainment, and smart home devices. The lifelike movements are achieved through precise motor control and machine learning, making it a significant step toward more natural and engaging robotic companions. The first ever bioelectronic brain implant to treat chronic migraines in the Netherlands represents a major leap in medical technology. This ultra-thin implant has been designed by Salvia Bioelectronics and is placed under the skin on the forehead and back of the head. It uses electrical stimulation to modulate neural activity, targeting the specific brain regions involved in migraine pain. Unlike traditional treatments, it offers a long-term, drug-free solution with minimal side effects. The implant's ability to precisely control neural signals is groundbreaking and is a great news for millions of people who suffer from these excruciating pains. This innovation could also pave the way for similar treatments for other neurological conditions and revolutionize pain management and neurotherapy. Scientists have supercharged bacteria by tweaking them with UV light to produce more cellulose, a super useful material for stuff like medical bandages, eco-friendly packaging, and even clothes. This biohack makes the bacteria way more efficient, turning them into tiny cellulose factories. It's a game changer because it's sustainable and could replace synthetic materials. Plus, it's cheaper and greener than traditional methods. Who knew bacteria could be this cool? French scientists just pulled off a sci-fi move by replicating the sun's energy for 22 minutes. Using a giant nuclear fusion reactor, they created super hot plasma much like the sun's core, and kept it stable. This is huge because fusion could provide endless clean energy without pollution. The experiment reached temperatures over 150 million degrees Celsius, 10 times hotter than the sun. If they can scale it up, we're talking about a future with no more fossil fuels. China just built a laser so precise it can detect and track objects from 62 miles away. This tech uses super-focused light beams to measure distances with insane accuracy. It's not just for show. It could revolutionize space exploration, military defense, and even disaster monitoring. The laser can detect tiny vibrations, making it perfect for spotting stealthy objects like submarines or drones. Imagine spotting a tiny satellite or tracking a storm from miles away. This laser is like a superhero's vision, but real. Chinese scientists have identified massive reserves of uranium isotopes in seawater and granite, estimated to provide energy for 60,000 years. This breakthrough, led by the China National Nuclear Corporation, involves advanced extraction techniques to harvest uranium-238 and thorium, which can be used in next-gen nuclear reactors. These reactors, called molten salt reactors, are safer and more efficient than traditional ones. This discovery could reduce our current reliance on fossil fuels and cut down the carbon emissions. It positions China as a leader in sustainable energy, potentially solving long-term energy crises and ensuring a cleaner future. Russian researchers at the Kurchatov Institute have developed a plasma-based rocket engine that could slash travel time to Mars from months to just weeks. The engine uses nuclear fusion to create high-energy plasma, propelling spacecraft at unprecedented speeds. This technology is a part of Russia's space exploration program and could make interplanetary travel more feasible and cost-effective. By reducing transit time, it minimizes astronauts' exposure to space radiation and microgravity effects. This innovation not only advances space exploration, but also opens doors for future colonization of Mars and beyond. Researchers at the University of Wisconsin-Madison have created water-activated electric bandages that accelerate wound healing by 30%. These bandages generate a mild electric field when exposed to bodily fluids, stimulating cell growth and tissue repair. The technology, published in ACS Nano, is biodegradable and uses zinc and silver to produce electricity. This innovation is particularly beneficial for chronic wounds, such as diabetic ulcers, which are hard to treat. By speeding up healing, these bandages reduce healthcare costs and improve patient outcomes, offering a groundbreaking solution for wound care and regenerative medicine. A 17-year-old innovator, Benjamin Choi, has developed a groundbreaking 3D printed, brain-controlled prosthetic arm that is both affordable and highly functional. Inspired by a documentary on mind-controlled prosthetics, Choi designed the arm using a 3D printer and open-source software, keeping costs under $300 to manufacture. The arm is controlled by an EEG headset that reads brain signals, which are processed by an AI algorithm to execute precise movements like grasping objects or making gestures. This prosthetic arm is lightweight, customizable, and easy to produce, and is made from 3D printed materials. This innovation is particularly transformative for amputees in low-income regions, where high costs often limit access to such devices. Choi's project has garnered accolades in top science competitions, including the Regeneron Science Talent Search, showcasing the potential of young innovators to address global challenges. By combining 3D printing, AI, and neuroscience, this breakthrough not only makes advanced prosthetics accessible, but also paves the way for future advancements in assistive technology, improving lives worldwide. Researchers have developed a stem cell therapy that can repair up to 90% of damaged corneas, restoring vision in patients with severe corneal injuries. The treatment involves harvesting stem cells from the patient's healthy eye, growing them in a lab, and transplanting them onto the damaged cornea. This innovative approach, tested in clinical trials, has shown remarkable success in improving sight and reducing the need for corneal transplants. Published in Nature, this therapy offers hope to millions suffering from corneal blindness, particularly in regions with limited access to donor tissues. It's a major leap in regenerative medicine, combining stem cell science with practical, life-changing applications. China's space station has achieved a breakthrough by producing rocket fuel using artificial photosynthesis. This system mimics plants, using sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into oxygen and methane, which can be used as fuel. Developed by the Chinese Academy of Sciences, this technology reduces the need to transport fuel from Earth, making long-term space missions more sustainable. It's a game-changer for deep space exploration, enabling self-sufficiency and reducing costs. This innovation not only supports China's lunar and Mars ambitions, but also sets a precedent for eco-friendly space travel, blending biology and engineering for a greener future. American researchers have developed an affordable and efficient way to convert seawater into drinkable water using a carbon-based filtration system. The method involves a process called shock electrodialysis, where an electric field is applied to seawater, splitting it into ions and separating salt from water. This innovative approach, led by engineers at MIT and the University of Texas, uses inexpensive materials like carbon cloth, making it far cheaper than traditional desalination methods like reverse osmosis. The system is energy efficient and scalable, offering a practical solution for regions facing water scarcity. This breakthrough could provide millions with access to clean drinking water, addressing global water crises while being environmentally sustainable. So tell me, which new innovation impressed you the most? And which one shows a promising future? Write it down below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more interesting Galore Tech's videos. Thanks for watching!